Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the core components, the AMD graphics driver and the monitor. Make sure you have the latest Adrenaline driver installed. This fixes many frame pacing bugs. Once done, set the monitor to its native resolution and the highest refresh rate it supports. This matters because mismatched rates cause tearing. Also verify the cable and port. Display port 1, 2, or HDMI 2. 0 or newer reduces bandwidth issues. Now that prerequisites are in place, proceed to settings and syncing. You now enable adaptive sync so the GPU and display stay in step. First, enable FreeSync in the monitor OSD, then confirm Windows recognizes variable refresh. Next, open AMD Adrenaline and turn on FreeSync or Radeon Enhanced Sync. Enhanced Sync reduces input lag while preventing tear in many situations. Once configured, choose whether to apply settings globally or per game. Use per game profiles for competitive titles. Make sure VSync is off if using FreeSync, or set to adaptive to avoid double buffering. You finish by dialing in frame delivery and testing modes. Use a frame limiter to cap FPS to the monitor refresh rate, or enable Radeon Chill to smooth spikes. This prevents the GPU from overflowing frames. Try switching between borderless windowed and exclusive full screen. Some engines handle sync differently. If tearing continues, troubleshoot. Revert to a prior driver, swap cable type or port, and test another monitor. One key tip: if symptoms start after an update, roll back drivers before changing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.